You could have the best video ever, but if your editing is off, people will click away even before giving your video a chance. Surprising, right? Well, don't panic, because in this video, I'll be giving you the right editing technique that will make people watch for longer, boost audience retention, and make the algorithm love you. Let's start by discussing why editing is crucial for audience retention. Think about this. When watching a video, what makes you keep watching? Is it the video itself? Sure, the video is important, but let's be real. It's also about how the content was presented. A well-edited video can make a difference between someone watching your video till the end and them clicking out of your video. So without wasting much of your time, the first tip that can boost your audience retention is music. Music is a very important tool in video editing because it sets the tone and evokes emotions. When choosing a music for your video, make sure it aligns with your brand and the topic you are discussing. There are many music libraries out there that you can use in your videos without getting worried about copyright issues. A good example is the YouTube audio library. So before diving into these libraries, make sure that you pay a close attention to the speed and the overall mood of the song, because a faster music can pop up the energy and get your audience excited. This is perfect for action shots and high energy content. On the other hand, slower music can create a more chilled, relaxed, and emotional atmosphere. Also, don't be afraid to play around with different genres until you get the one that matches your video. Trust me, the right music can change the game for you and get your audience hooked. Second tip is text and animations. Adding text isn't just about throwing words on your screen. It's about enhancing the experience of your audience. So this is how you can add text effectively in your videos. Number one is keep it clear. Always go for fonts that are easy to read. Avoid fancy fonts that might appear cool but end up confusing your audience. Also, the size of your text matters. Always make sure that your text is big enough to be noticed, but not so massive that it takes over the whole screen. If you're making videos for your brand, pay close attention to brand consistency. Make sure that the colors of your text aligns with the colors and the identity of your brand. Another important point is timing. While using text in your video, timing matters a lot. Your text should appear at the right moment, just exactly when your audience needs it. Instead of randomly adding text, you can use a text to highlight a particular point. As for animations, all I have to say is that static text is fine, but animation brings life to your text. The third tip is B-rolls and visual storytelling. In case you don't know what B-rolls are supplementary videos or footage that you add to your video in order to explain a particular concept or a particular thing. Think of it like adding spice to your dish, as it enhances the flavor and makes your video more engaging. Like I said before, B-rolls are used to illustrate a point, set the scene, and add context to your story. For instance, if you're making a video about your product, you can add a B-roll of that product explaining further how the product works and the value it will offer to your audience. The key to using B-rolls effectively is to make sure that it is relevant and adds value to your story. The good news about B-rolls is that you can shoot your B-rolls by yourself or you can download B-rolls. If you want to download your B-rolls, there are sites that have copyright-free B-rolls that you can add to your videos, and this is one of them. The fourth tip is jump cuts and transitions. If you're new to video editing, jump cuts might sound bad. If you don't know what a jump cut is when you cut out a particular section of your videos and you join other parts of the video together. This creates a jump in the timeline. By using jump cuts, you erase awkward silence, mistakes, and unnecessary footage, making your videos more dynamic and engaging. After you've added jump cuts, make sure that you apply transitions to them to achieve a seamless flow. So guys, if you've not been editing your videos like this, try and apply these editing techniques to your videos and you will sure discover a significant change in your audience retention. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a like. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel, cause trust me, I've got more game-changing tips coming your way. Thanks guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one.